Welcome back, explorers. Tonight I visited the Singapore Night Festival 2024. This year's theme is the art of play, exploring the concept of play and childhood with various light installations and experiences spread throughout the Bras Basah and Bugis districts. Oh, this is my childhood's dragon playground. Feeling hungry, I had my dinner at the SMU Festival Village.
Nice!
There is also a game you can play on the website. Simply check into at least 6 checkpoints throughout the trails and redeem some gifts upon completion. This is also a great way to explore different heritage sites throughout the district. Come on down to the Singapore Night Festival before it ends this Saturday, 7 September. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos of my adventures.